we are going to do congruence of triangle. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. Uh, so lesson number 13, congruence of triangle. Okay, congruence of triangles. Now here some of the questions are there. Okay, here the question is which is the angle opposite to side AB. Now if you can see this diagram carefully, here the side is AB. Okay, side is AB. Which angle is opposite to side AB? Can you see any angle opposite to side AB? AB के opposite side में कौन सा angle आ सकता है? Let me know in chat box. Which of the angle you can see opposite to side AB? Okay, I'll see the chat box afterward as if I'll see the chat box. Just a second. Okay. Now please give me answer which is the angle opposite to side AB. This is AB opposite side. This is AB side. Which angle you can see opposite to AB? Which angle you can see opposite to AB? So AB के opposite आपको कौन सा angle लग रहा है? Angle C. Angle C. ठीक है? Which is the side opposite to angle B? Now ये angle B है. ठीक है? This is angle B. तो कौन सा साइड एंगल बी के अपोज में लग रहा है? AC. कौन सा एंगल कौन सी साइड एंगल बी के अपोज में है? विच इज द साइड अपोजिट टू एंगल बी इज AC. Which angle is included by side AB and side AC? AB और AC में कॉमन एंगल कौन सा है? Which angle is included by side AB and side AC? Which angle is included by side AB and side AC? So this is angle A. Which side is included by angle B and angle C? Angle B और angle C से कौन सी side included है? Side BC. State the angle adjacent to side AB. AB के exactly adjacent कौन सा है? Which angle is adjacent to side AB? Adjacent means what? आजू बाजू वाला. Means अगर आप किसी बिल्डिंग में रहते हो फ्लैट में, तो आपके adjacent फ्लैट कौन सा? Adjacent means what? Exactly आपके बाजू का जो फ्लैट है, that is we call it as adjacent. Okay, adjacent means exactly side by side. All right, so let's move to another slide. The congruence of triangle. What is mean by congruence of triangle then? The figure which exactly coincide with each other. The figure which exactly coincide. The figure which exactly coincide with each other are called as congruent figures. Okay, congruent figures. Figures which exactly coincide. अगर आप कोई बुक का पेज लेते हो, ठीक है, एक आपने एक बुक का पेज लिया है टेयर करके, वो अगर ड्राइंग का बुक का पेज है, फॉर एग्जांपल रेक्टेंगल है, आप अगर वो पेज को एग्जैक्टली एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखोगे तो वो कोइंसाइड होगा, है ना? कोइंसाइड होगा, एग्जैक्टली एक के ऊपर एक आएगा, दैट इज कोइंसाइड. ठीक है, तो अगर कोई फिगर एग्जैक्टली उसके ऊपर आती है, ठीक है, आर कॉल्ड एज कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर्स. सो कॉन्ग्रुएंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स हम कभी बोल सकते हैं जब आपके दोनों ट्रायंगल एग्जैक्टली लुक same to each other, okay, which are exactly coincide. The figure which exactly coincide each other is known as congruent figures. The segment of equal lengths are congruent. Okay, equal lengths की जो segment रहती है वो क्या रहती है? Congruent. And the angles of equal measures, for example, अगर angle B 40 डिग्री है, if triangle ABC, अगर हमने एक triangle draw किया, this is triangle PQR and this is triangle ABC. दोनों triangles congruent है. If angle Q is 40 degree and angle B is also equal to 40 degree, that means what? The angles of equal measures are congruent. Angles of equal measures are congruent. अगर angle P 60 degree और angle AB 60 degree है, तो that means angle P is congruent to angle A. Angle P is congruent to angle A. Congruency का साइन हम कैसे देते हैं? Angle P, ये जो इक्वल टू का साइन आएगा और वहां पे ऊपर एस के जैसा साइन आएगा, इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल ए. ठीक है. इफ एंगल P is 40 degree and angle A is also 40 degree, then angle P is congruent. This is the sign of congruence. So angle P is congruent to angle A. Angle P is congruent to angle A. So if angle P is 40, angle A is 40, then angle P is congruent to angle A. Understood? Understood what is the property of this congruence of triangle? So if side AB is 4 centimeter and side PQ is also 4 centimeter, तो अगर AB भी 4 centimeter है और PQ भी 4 centimeter है, then what happened? Segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. Segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. If side AB is 4 centimeter and side PQ is also equal to 4 centimeter, then segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. ठीक है. So segments of equal measures are congruent and segments, angles of equal measures are also congruent. So this is one important property of congruence of triangle. So if the two triangles are congruent, when we will say that these two triangles are congruent, when the two triangles are coincide exactly with each other are called as congruent triangles, and the segments of equal lengths are known as congruent, and angles of equal measures are also congruent. Segments of equal lengths are congruent and angles of equal measures are congruent. ठीक है. Sorry. Now congruence of triangle. Now we have seen congruence of figures and now we are going to see the congruence of triangles. ठीक है. Okay. Now here, okay. Now here, congruence of triangles, activity said, observe the adjacent figure, copy triangle ABC on tracing paper, place it on triangle PQR such that point A coincide with point P, point B with point Q, and point C with point R. You will find that both the triangle coincide exactly with each other. That is, they are congruent. Now here it is activity. One of the activity, what you have to do here, you also have to do this activity. What you have to do over here, observe the adjacent figure, copy triangle ABC on tracing paper. एक triangle ABC draw करो tracing paper पे कोई भी measurement का. Okay, triangle ABC draw करो. Place it on triangle PQR such that point A coincide with point P, point B with point Q, and point C with point R. You will find that both the triangles coincide exactly with each other. That is, they are very congruent. After this lecture, you can copy down this, you can make this activity. कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको एक ट्रायंगल बनाना है एक पेपर का. ट्रायंगल बनाने के बाद वो पेपर का जो ट्रायंगल आपने कट आउट किया है वो ट्रेस करना है. ठीक है. और उसको नाम देना है ट्रायंगल एबीसी, और उसके बाद वही पेपर जो है दूसरी जगह पे रख के ट्रेस करना है और उसको नाम देना है ट्रायंगल पीक्यूआर. सच दैट कि एंगल ए जो है वो पी का कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेगा, एंगल बी जो है वो क्यू का कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेगा, और एंगल आर जो है वो एंगल सी का कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेगा. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू make the triangle. In this way you have to make one triangle and trace that triangle on the paper and name it as triangle ABC, and in similar manner you have to trace it as PQR and PQR, and such that angle A will be congruent to angle P, angle Q will be congruent to angle B, and angle R will be congruent to angle C. ठीक है. The next is okay. Now here one-to-one correspondence is given. One-to-one correspondence. Okay. So in the activity, one way of placing triangle ABC on triangle PQR, अगर आप ये triangle ABC जो है वो triangle PQR पे place करते हो, but if we place point A on point Q, और अगर हम ये A जो point है अगर Q पे place करते हैं, point B on point R, ये point B जो है वो अगर R पे place करते हैं, point C on point P पे अगर place करते हैं, then two triangles will not coincide with each other. ठीक है, हमने ट्रायंगल एबीसी बनाया. ट्रायंगल एबीसी बनाने के बाद हमने उसको नाम दिया ट्रायंगल एबीसी. फिर उसका कटआउट अगर लेके हम एबीसी का जो कटआउट लेके अगर हमने वो पीक्यूआर पे रखा, तो हम जैसे हमने पीक्यूआर बनाया था तो हमने कैसे दिया था, नेम किया था P is congruent to A, Q is congruent to B and R is congruent to C. बट अगर हमने उसको घुमा के B is congruent to P, C is congruent to Q and A is congruent to R अगर किया, ऐसे किया, मीन्स B को P पे प्लेस किया, C को Q पे प्लेस किया और A को अगर R पे प्लेस किया, तो वो दोनों ट्रायंगल कभी भी कोइंसाइड नहीं होंगे, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर एग्जैक्टली कोइंसाइड नहीं होंगे. Coincide means what? Which will be exactly fall on each other, which will look same to same. ठीक है, so they will not coincide with each other. It means that the vertices must be matched in a specific way. Vertex means what? A triangle ABC का vertex, this is A vertex, this is B and this is C. These are the vertices of triangle. A, B and C are the vertices of triangle ABC. At triangle PQR के vertices कौन-कौन से हैं? So PQR are the vertices of triangle PQR. तो it means vertices must be matched in a specific way. उनके vertices जो है वो एक दूसरे को match होने चाहिए. The way of matching the vertices is denoted by one-to-one correspondence. तो अगर वो match होते हैं तो वो one-to-one correspondence दिखाते हैं, जैसे कि A is similar to P, B is similar to Q and C is similar to R. ठीक है, तो that they denoted one-to-one correspondence. So point A correspond to point P and it is denoted by A is correspond to P. This is, we can denote it as A corresponds to P. Similarly, B corresponds to Q and C correspond to R. Here two triangles are congruent in the correspondence A to P, B to Q, C to R. When the two triangles are congruent in this way, we get 6 congruence, namely angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q, angle C is congruent to R. जैसे कि तीनों एंगल सेम होंगे, angle A is congruent to P, angle B is congruent to Q, angle C is congruent to R. Similarly, segment AB is congruent to segment PQ, segment BC is congruent to segment QR, and segment AC is congruent to segment PR. So 6 congruence, 6 correspondence we will get. Okay, when two triangles are congruent, then we get 6 congruence. Please pay attention everyone. I'll ask anyone randomly to say the answer. तो अगर टू ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर होते, ये क्वेश्चन आपको ओरल में भी पूछा जा सकता है कि अगर if two triangles are similar, if two triangles are congruent, then they show how many types of congruency? So 6 congruency. They can show 6 congruence. ठीक है? 3 angles similar congruent रहेंगे and 3 segments similar रहेंगे. So that means how many congruency are there if 2 triangles are similar? So they can show 6 congruency. Okay, 6 congruence. Okay. Okay, now test of congruence of triangle. Now this is most important part. How many test of congruence of triangle we have to learn? How many kinds of test we have to learn congruence of triangle? Okay, so SSS test. SSS test means side, side, side test. अगर तीनों साइड सिमिलर रहते हैं दोनों ट्रायंगल की, all the three sides of the two triangles are similar, then they are congruent. They will be congruent by which test? SSS test. ठीक है, side, side, side test. Now, if the two triangles are similar by SAS test, if the two triangles are congruent by SAS test, means what? Side angle side test. तो वो दोनों triangle के टू साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे और एक एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेगा, so that they will be congruent by SAS test. SSS test, if all the three sides are congruent. If two sides are congruent and one angle is congruent, then these two triangles are congruent by SAS test. If from both the triangles, if two angles are congruent and one side is congruent, then it is represented by ASA test. ठीक है, angle side angle test. अगर दोनों triangle में two angles are congruent and one side is congruent, then it is represented by AAS test. And after that, the very different from all of these is right hand side, right एंगल हाइपोटेनियस टेस्ट. राइट एंगल क्यों बोला है वहां पे? क्योंकि हाइपोटेनियस साइड टेस्ट वहीं पे होती है जहां पे दोनों ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल होते हैं. अगर दोनों ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल्स है तो उनको बोलेंगे हम राइट एंगल हाइपोटेनियस साइड टेस्ट. राइट एंगल हाइपोटेनियस साइड टेस्ट. राइट एंगल का एग्जैक्टली अपोजिट साइड कौन सा होता है? हाइपोटेनियस. The side which is exactly opposite to right angle is what? Hypotenuse. So these two triangles will be similar by right angle hypotenuse test. Right angle hypotenuse side test. ठीक है? So hypotenuse means what? The side which is exactly opposite to right angle. The side which is exactly opposite to right angle is known as right angle hypotenuse side test. Clear everyone? Clear till this? All right. So let's move to another slide. The side test. Okay, side test. So how this side test is? This is very important, and these kinds of questions can be asked in your oral exam. In written exam also these kinds of questions asked, but in oral exam all the 5 tests you have to learn, because सबको एक कोई ना कोई एक टेस्ट तो आएगी पूछने के लिए. ठीक है, तो आपको ये बाय हार्ट करके रखना. तो बाय हार्ट से बेटर है आप समझ के पढ़ो, तो आपको वो कभी भी पूछेंगे तो आएगा. नेम इटसेल्फ इंडिकेट दैट कि अगर SSS टेस्ट है मतलब क्या? साइड टेस्ट है. मींस व्हाट? कि दोनों ट्रायंगल में से ऑल द 3 साइड्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. ठीक है ना? अगर तीनों साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो वो दो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे बाय विच टेस्ट? SSS test. ठीक है? If all the three sides of two triangles are congruent, for example, see here, AB is congruent to PQ, BC is congruent to QR, and AC is congruent to PR. Means in this figure, AB is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. Means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SSS test, where all the three sides are equal. Okay, so if all the three sides of one triangle, if all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding three sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SSS test. Simple कि अगर तीनों sides, if all the three sides of one triangle, ठीक है, if all the three sides, say with me, if all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent, if all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent, equivalent means equal. If all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding side, three sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SSS rule. ठीक है? If all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent with the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SSS rule. Okay? तो आप एक बार और पढ़ लो इसको, तो हम दूसरी टेस्ट पे जाएंगे. ठीक है? If all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent, equivalent means equal. If all the three sides of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SSS rule. ठीक है ना? अगर all the three sides, अगर तीनों sides एक triangle के equivalent है दूसरे triangle के साथ, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SSS rule. आप अपने language में भी बोल सकते हो कि if all the three sides of one triangle is similar to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SSS rule. ठीक है? समझ में आया? यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in chat box, but make sure that your concept must be get clear. Okay, if your concepts will not be get clear, you will never understand maths. Okay, so better to read it properly, understand it, and then we will move to another slide. Okay, if you are having doubt, can ask me in chat box. If you're not having any doubt and understand it properly, and then we'll move to the next second slide. और मैं ये SSS test, SAS test, जितने भी टेस्ट आज के सेशन में होंगे, मैं आपको पूछूंगी at the end of the session. ठीक है? तो better to learn it properly. I'm giving you 2 minutes to learn it. Okay, now let's move to another slide. SAS side test. ओके, सेम रूल है वहां पे, तीनों साइड थे, all the three sides were equal in SSS test. In this case, two sides are equal and one angle is equal. Side, angle, side test. Two sides are equal and one angle is equal. Now, if any two sides and angle one triangle, if two sides and one angle of one triangle is equivalent with the corresponding sides and to be congruent by SAS rule. If any two sides and angle included between the sides of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding two sides and the angle between the sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SAS rule. Means if any two side, if any two side, जैसे कि AC और PR में है और AB and PQ में है, if any two sides and angle included between the two sides of one triangle, if any two sides and the angle included between the sides of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding two sides and angle between the sides of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SAS rule. ठीक है, SAS rule. ठीक है. So in figure, side AB is similar to triangle angle, side AB is similar to side PQ, and AC is similar to PR. Okay, if AB is equal to, if AB is equal to PR, angle between AC and AB और PR PQ में कौन सा एंगल है? एंगल P, that is angle A is similar to angle PQR by SAS test. तो अगर कोई भी two sides and angle included between them, if any two sides of a triangle and the angle included between the two sides of a triangle is equivalent to the corresponding two sides and the angle between them of another triangle is congruent, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SAS test. ठीक है. Again I repeat this, please pay attention. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ उसमें ध्यान दो. If any two sides and the angle included between them of one triangle is equivalent to the corresponding two sides and the angle between them of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SAS test. अगर कोई भी दो और एंगल उनके बीच में, if the between them of one triangle is equivalent to the corresponding two sides and one angle included between them of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by SAS test. ठीक है, दो साइड सिमिलर दिख रहे, एक एंगल सिमिलर दिख रहा है, that means what, the two triangles are congruent by SAS test. I'm giving you again 1 minute to read it out. Okay, read it properly, then we will move to another slide. Done? Done, everyone? Okay, so let's move to another slide. Just a second. ASA test. If any two angles and side included between the angles of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding two angles and the side included between the angle of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA rule. जैसे सेम टू सेम SAS टेस्ट के जैसे है, वहां पे सिर्फ टू साइड्स एंड वन एंगल इंक्लूडेड बिटवीन देम था, यहाँ पे टू एंगल्स एंड साइड इंक्लूडेड बिटवीन द एंगल इज देयर, राइट. If any two angles and the side included between the angles of one triangle are equivalent to the corresponding two angles and the side included between the angles of the second triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA test. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी दो एंगल एक ट्रायंगल के and the side included between them is equivalent to the corresponding two angles and the side included between them of another triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA test. ठीक है, जैसे कि एंगल B is similar to angle Q, angle C is similar to angle R, and BC is equal to QR, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. अभी यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज ध्यान में रखना है, जब भी आपको बोला जाएगा ट्रायंगल एबीसी, तो आपको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, आपको ऐसे नहीं लिखना है ट्रायंगल एबीसी, ट्रायंगल एबीसी. नो, you don't need to write like this, you need to write like this, triangle ABC. Okay, so this is the shortcut of shortcut which we use in maths more evenly, like symbol, by using symbol like triangle ABC, so triangle ABC. Okay, quadrilateral ABCD means what? Quadrilateral ABCD, quadrilateral ABC, triangle ABC, quadrilateral ABC. ठीक है. So if any two angles and side included, if any two angles and the side included between them is of one triangle is congruent to corresponding two angles, okay, corresponding two angles and the side included between them of another triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA test. ठीक है, ASA test. ठीक है. Now let's move to another one. Just a minute.